Want to reset your ESPN Fantasy Draft? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First thing is that you need to be a league manager. Now, launch open the Fantasy app on your device. Now, log into your account. Then, tap on the football option. Here, select your league and tap on My Team. Now select League, then tap on the option of League Manager Tools. Now select Draft Settings. Here, you will find the option of Reset Draft. This option clears the current draft results and reopens your league settings. Tap on that. You'll be able to adjust the draft date, type, and order before starting fresh. Keep in mind, only League Manager can do this. Members cannot reset draft themselves. Once you've confirmed the reset, tap on the Save option and save your changes. Your league will be ready for a brand new draft session. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.